Here's how to get a wolf cut when you have thick hair. Start by separating the front from the back. I'm using vertical partings. Then separate the left from the right and then section out the nape. We'll begin by layering the bottom of the hair to take away the bulk on the ends. So by taking vertical sections and cutting layers from short to long, we can remove weight from the hair that's thick in the nape and create textured ends in one step. Each of the sections is held out at 90 degrees and is cut with a traveling guide, and this creates an even amount of layers from side to side. Layering the hair this way in the nape will make it take on the shape of the head, so the hair is going to have volume at the top of the section and flip out at the ends. Now we want to avoid cutting super short layers in the back, so we're elevating our sections straight out, but we're cutting the length past our guide from the nape. This will allow it to be disconnected and hang over top of the nape, so it has a nice volume effect. Now to cut the face framing, over-direct hair to the front and cut a slightly diagonal line that leaves length to the bottom. This will give you that curtain bang that blends right into the face framing. I chose to remove a little bit more length before going in with my Kenra texturizing spray and blow drying. Now, once it's complete, it should look something like this, but I went in and did some slicing techniques to remove even more weight and give it a more personalized texture. This is a good time to personalize the front so you have that extra cool bang that you can wear when the hair is styled up or down. Add your favorite texture spray and the results will be something like this. Hope you enjoy!